Hey everybody, want to transform your skills into cash and achieve financial freedom? Welcome to Rich Roadmap. Discover how freelancing can change your life, starting now. Let me tell you something. The 9-to-5 grind, it's not for everyone. You crave freedom, you want flexibility, and you're ready to take control of your own destiny. Well, guess what? The world of freelancing is calling your name. Wondered how some freelancers turn their skills into a lucrative income stream? Join me to discover the insider secrets and strategies. We're talking about everything you need to know to go from zero to hero, from side hustle to full-time freedom. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a developer, or anything in between, this video is your roadmap to success. Get ready to unlock your earning potential, because we're about to break down the barriers and show you how to make it rain in the world of freelancing. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this party started. All right, let's break this down. Starting your freelancing career can seem overwhelming, but with the right steps, you can set yourself up for success. You're pumped about freelancing, right? The idea of being your own boss, working on projects you're passionate about, and having the freedom to choose your clients is exhilarating. But where do you even begin? The first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most crucial. First things first, you gotta figure out what you're good at. What are your skills? What gets you fired up? Identifying your strengths is the foundation of your freelancing career. Don't be shy, now's the time to brag a little. Confidence in your abilities will help you stand out in a crowded market. Are you a Photoshop wizard, a coding ninja, a master wordsmith? Whatever your talents, make sure you know them inside and out. Identify those superpowers because they're your ticket to the big leagues. Your unique skills are what will set you apart from the competition. Once you know your strengths, it's time to build your portfolio. This is your chance to showcase your best work and make a lasting impression. Think of it like your highlight reel, showcasing your best work to potential clients. Your portfolio should tell a story of your skills and accomplishments. And listen, your portfolio doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs to show what you're capable of. Quality over quantity is key. Now, let's talk online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for attracting clients. You need to be where the clients are, and that means setting up profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. These platforms are where clients go to find freelancers. These are your virtual storefronts, so make sure they're polished and professional. A well-crafted profile can make all the difference. Your profile is your first impression, so make it count. Take the time to fill out all the details and make it as compelling as possible. Use a professional headshot, write a killer bio that highlights your skills and experience, and don't forget to ask for testimonials from past clients. Testimonials add credibility and can help build trust with potential clients. And listen, building a strong online presence takes time and effort. It's not something that happens overnight, but it's worth the investment. Be patient, be consistent, and keep putting yourself out there. Regularly update your profiles and engage with your audience to stay top of mind. The more visible you are, the more likely you are to attract clients. Visibility is key to growing your freelancing business. Now let's talk about one more thing in this chapter: mindset. A positive and resilient mindset is crucial for long-term success. You gotta believe in yourself and your abilities. Self-belief will carry you through the tough times and help you stay motivated. Freelancing can be tough, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, to keep your spirits high. There will be times when you doubt yourself, when you feel like giving up. It's normal to face challenges, but don't let them deter you. But it's in those moments that you need to dig deep and remember why you started this journey in the first place. Your passion and determination will see you through. Remember, you are in control of your own destiny. You have the power to steer your career in the direction you want. You have the power to create the life you want. Surround yourself with a supportive community and keep pushing forward. So go out there and make it happen. The future is bright, and with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your freelancing dreams. Okay, you've got your skills, you've got your portfolio, now it's time to find some clients. This is where the real adventure begins. And let me tell you, there are more ways to find clients than ever before. The digital age has opened up a plethora of opportunities. First up, leverage your network. Tell everyone you know that you're open for business. You never know who might need your services or who might know someone who does. Your friends, family, and even acquaintances can be a gold mine of potential leads. Next, hit up those job boards and freelance marketplaces. We're talking Upwork, Fiverr, ProBlogger, the list goes on. These platforms are designed to connect freelancers with clients, making it easier than ever to find work. These platforms are teeming with potential clients looking for talented freelancers like you. The key is to create a standout profile that showcases your best work and skills. But don't just rely on job boards. You gotta be proactive. Sitting back and waiting for clients to come to you isn't enough. Reach out to businesses directly and let them know what you can do for them. This is called cold outreach, and it can be a game changer. It shows initiative and can set you apart from the competition. Now, when you're reaching out to potential clients, whether it's through your network, job boards, or cold outreach, you gotta make sure you're putting your best foot forward. First impressions matter. Craft a compelling pitch that highlights your skills and experience and explains how you can help them solve their problems. Tailor each pitch to the specific client to show that you've done your homework. And don't be afraid to follow up. Persistence is key in the world of freelancing. Sometimes a gentle reminder can make all the difference. Remember, finding clients is a numbers game. The more people you reach out to, the more likely you are to land gigs. It's all about playing the odds and maximizing your chances. So put yourself out there, be confident, and don't give up. Confidence can be contagious and can help you build trust with potential clients. And here's a pro tip. When you're first starting out, don't be afraid to take on smaller projects to build your portfolio and get some testimonials under your belt. These small wins can lead to bigger opportunities. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can start raising your rates and going after bigger and better projects. Your value increases with each successful project. But most importantly, always remember to provide value to your clients. Go above and beyond to deliver exceptional work, and you'll build a reputation that will keep clients coming back for more. Quality work speaks for itself, and who knows, those satisfied clients might even refer you to their network, which brings us back to the power of networking. It's a beautiful cycle. The more you network, the more opportunities you'll uncover. All right, let's talk money. This is one of the most crucial aspects of freelancing, and it's something that can make or break your business. This is a big one, and it's something that trips up a lot of freelancers. Setting your rates can be daunting, but it's essential to get it right. But here's the thing, you deserve to get paid what you're worth. Your skills, time, and expertise have value, and it's important to recognize that. So how do you determine your rates? It's not just about picking a number out of thin air. First, you gotta do your research. This means diving deep into what the market looks like for your specific niche. Look at what other freelancers in your niche are charging. Networking with peers can provide valuable insights. Check out industry benchmarks and salary surveys. These resources can give you a ballpark figure to start with. But don't just base your rates on what others are charging. Your unique value proposition should also play a role. You also need to consider your own financial needs and goals. What are your monthly expenses? What are your financial aspirations? How much money do you need to make each month to cover your expenses and reach your financial goals? This is your baseline. Once you have a good understanding of market rates and your own financial needs, you can start to develop a pricing strategy. This strategy should be flexible and adaptable. And here's a pro tip. Consider using value-based pricing. This approach can significantly boost your earnings. Value-based pricing means charging based on the value you bring to your clients, rather than just your time. This can be a game changer. This is a game changer because it allows you to charge higher rates and position yourself as a premium service provider. Clients are often willing to pay more for perceived value. Now, I know talking about money can be uncomfortable, but it's an essential part of freelancing. You need to be confident in your worth. Remember, you're running a business, and you need to be compensated fairly for your time, skills, and expertise. This is non-negotiable. Don't be afraid to negotiate your rates with clients. Negotiation is a skill that can be learned and perfected over time. Come prepared with data and a clear understanding of the value you bring to the table. This will make your case stronger. And if a client isn't willing to pay your rates, it's okay to walk away. Not every client will be the right fit for you. Remember, your time and skills are valuable. Don't undervalue yourself. Confidence in your rates will attract the right clients. Charge what you're worth, and don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Your expertise is your asset. And here's another thing. Don't be afraid to raise your rates as you gain more experience and expertise. Your growth should be reflected in your pricing. Your value will only continue to increase, so your rates should reflect that. Regularly review and adjust your rates to match your evolving skill set. So go out there, set those rates high, and watch the money roll in. Your financial success is in your hands. Okay, you're finding clients, you're setting your rates. Now it's time to manage your workload like a boss. Because let's be real, freelancing can get crazy if you don't stay organized. First things first, you need a system for managing your projects. Whether it's a physical planner, a digital to-do list, or a project management software, find what works for you and stick to it. Next, set boundaries. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and work around the clock when you're a freelancer, but trust me, you need to set boundaries between your work life and your personal life. Establish set work hours, take breaks, and don't be afraid to say no to projects if you're feeling overwhelmed. Your mental health and well-being are just as important as your income. Now let's talk about productivity tools. There are so many amazing tools out there that can help you streamline your workflow and get more done in less time. From time tracking apps to communication platforms to invoicing software, there's a tool for everything. Experiment with different tools and find what works best for you. And here's a pro tip: automate everything you can. The more you can automate repetitive tasks, the more time you'll have to focus on the work that really matters. Remember, managing your workload effectively is all about finding a system that works for you and sticking to it. Be organized, set boundaries, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. And most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your approach as needed. Freelancing is all about finding what works best for you and your unique working style. So go out there, manage that workload like a pro, and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. There you have it, folks. Your crash course in freelancing, from finding clients to managing your workload. Remember, the world of freelancing is yours for the taking. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends who are ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now go out there, crush it as freelancers, and live your best lives.